Good afternoon, class. I'm Professor Castro. CD1 Criminal Fundamentals of Criminal Investigations and Intelligence. So today I will discuss the criminal investigation. Science is criminal investigations is a science because it involves the application of knowledge of forensic science. So it is an art and science, criminal investigations. So, criminal investigation seeks collects gathered evidence of the crime for a case. So, the criminal investigation, in which means so example investigare, which means to track. So, investigare, which means to track. So, vestigium, uh, which means footprint. So, to track, investigare. To track or look into traces. And vestigium, footprint. So, criminal investigation, Latin term investigat, which means to acquire or discover. Acquire or discover. So, investigat, inquire or discover. Sorry, inquire or discover. During 5th century. Investigation refers to the process of carrying out a detailed examination. So, take note, detailed examination. Inquiry, usually in official manner to discover something or somebody. So, criminal investigation is a logical process of collection and analysis of facts about persons, things, places related to crime. So, for example, crime. Crime is an act or omission voluntarily punishable by law. So, there is an act, there is an omission, uh, voluntarily punishable by law. So it is a crime. So crime, uh, can I ask a question? Criminal investigation is an art or a science? So criminal investigations is a science. It deals with application of science, forensic chemistry, about toxicology, study of poisons, forensic ballistics, uh, investigation of firearms, mechanical reconstruction of firearms, mechanical constructions of firearms, ballistics, so bullet, firearm examinations, barrel examinations, uh, forensic ballistics, forensic uh, toxicology, study of poisons, uh, forensic example, dactyloscopy. So, plain arc, through WCDX, plain arc, tented arc, plain whorl, radial loop, ulnar loop, uh, the classification of fingerprints, dactyloscopy, RWCDX, double loop, accidental whorl. So the classification of fingerprints and examination of gun, comparison of the gun of the suspects and the victim. So forensic ballistics, uh, photography for photographing physical evidence. So physical evidence. So any in relation to the suspects, weapon, DNA, uh, semen, saliva, clothes, uh, murder weapon, uh, anything that connects to the suspects. So it is an science. So in relation to criminal investigation, what are the qualities of the criminal investigator. So the qualities of criminal investigator is perseverance, pagtitiyaga. So uh, to uh, to finish the case, perseverance, pagtitiyaga, endurance, ability to last physically and mentally. So tatag, either the case kung sobrang hirap ng kaso na hindi magawaan ng hindi makuha ng ebidensya. So tatag para paano kumuha ng ebidensya. So incorruptible, hindi mo pera. So honesty, tapat, integrity, hindi mo pera, hindi nabibili. So yan ang qualities of good investigator. So intelligence and wisdom. So and acting ability to go down the level of different types of individuals. So pwede kahit anong level ng gawin. So kasi because uh, investigation, uh, pwede kang mag-covert or overt. Covert, hindi kita, overt, so kita. So investigator have acting ability to go down the level of different types of individuals. In a good investigator can trace modus operandi. So what is modus operandi? Modes of operations of the suspect.